Hi students, welcome back to chapter 10 Statistics. Today let us see how the data given in a frequency table can be represented by a picture. We already have learned about bar chart. Hope you remember that. Now we are going to learn about another pictorial representation. It is called histogram. Let us see with one example. The table below gives the amount of water 50 households use. Here first column represents the amount of water in liters. You can see 0 to 500 liters, 500 liter to 1000 liter, 1000 liter to 1500 liter, like 3000 liter to 3500 liters. Second column represents the number of households or families. Here total families are 50. For drawing a histogram, first let us use our ruler and draw a horizontal line and mark dots 1 centimeter apart on this line. This line is x-axis. Let us denote this class intervals along the x-axis like 0, 500, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500, 3000 and 3500. Then mention here as classes or amount of water. Then draw a vertical line just to the left end, and here also mark dots 1 centimeter apart. This line is the y-axis. Then denote frequencies along the y-axis. Frequencies means number of households. Here you can see lowest frequency is 3 and the highest frequency is 14. So let us arrange the frequencies as 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Then mention here also as frequencies or number of households. Now our scale is ready. Then write here as detail about the scale, which is x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 500 liters and y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 households. Then let us construct rectangles with the class interval as bars and corresponding frequencies as heights. Here you can see in class 0 to 500 corresponding frequency is 3. So let us construct a rectangle of height 3 centimeters. Here 3 centimeters means 3 households. Hope it is clear to you. See second one 500 liter to 1000 liter. Here corresponding frequency is 5. So draw a rectangle of height 5 centimeter. Next is 1000 liter to 1500 liter. Here corresponding frequency is 7. So draw a rectangle of height 7 centimeter. Next frequency is 10. So draw a rectangle of height 10 centimeter. Next is 14. Draw a rectangle of height 14 centimeter. Next frequency is 8. Draw a rectangle of height 8 centimeter. And the last is 3. Again draw another rectangle of height 3 centimeter. Now this histogram is completed. Hope you understand it. Next let us do questions from page number 190. See first question. The table shows the times 30 children took to complete a long distance race. Draw a histogram of this. Here first column represents the time taken to complete the race, which gives in minutes. Here you can see 10 to 13 minutes, 13 to 16 minutes, 16 to 19, 19 to 22 and 22 to 25. This is class intervals. Here you can see class interval is 3. So this is classes. Let us represent with the letter X. Second column represents the number of children, that is frequency. Let us call it as Y. Let's start drawing histogram. First draw a horizontal line and mark dots on 1 cm apart like this. This line is called x-axis. So let us denote classes along the x-axis. Let us start with 0. Then write the classes as given in the question like 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, 25 and 28. Here you know class interval is 3, which means x-axis 1 cm equal to 3 minutes. Okay, clear? And write here classes or time. Then draw vertical line to the left end and mark dots like this. Then write the frequencies. Here you know lowest frequency is 2 and highest is 12. So here also let us arrange frequencies in even numbers like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. And write here as frequency or number of children. After completed the scale arrangement, we should mention these on the top. It is very important. Here you know x-axis 1 cm equal to 3 minutes and y-axis 1 cm equal to 2 number of children. Then start construction of rectangle. Here you know in class 10 to 13 corresponding frequency is 2. So leave some space from 0 to 10. Then draw a rectangle of height 2 cm in between 10 to 13 like this. Second is 13 to 16. Here corresponding frequency is 5. So draw a rectangle of height 5 centimeters. Next frequency is 12. Draw another rectangle of height 12 centimeter. Next is 8. Draw a rectangle of height 8 centimeter. And last frequency is 3. Draw another rectangle of height 3 centimeter. Okay, clear? See second question. The table shows the daily incomes of 60 households in a locality. Draw a histogram. This also same as before. First column is daily income in rupees. Let us take it as X. And second column is number of households. These are frequencies. Let us represent with Y. Then start drawing histogram. First draw horizontal and vertical line with appropriate scale. Then let us denote these classes along the x-axis and denote number of households along the y-axis like this. Then write this class on the top. These scales on the top. Here x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 50 rupees and y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 households. Then construct bar for each classes. In first class 200 to 250 corresponding frequency is 3. Then first draw a rectangle of height 3 centimeter. Second is 250 to 300. Here corresponding frequency is 7. Then draw another rectangle of height 7 centimeter. Then draw rectangle of height 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay, hope you understand this. Third question. Details of rainfall in June and July are given in the table below. Draw a histogram. This also same as before. Here first column is rainfall in millimeters, which is classes. Let us take it as X. Second column is number of days, that is frequency. Let us represent with the Y. Then start drawing histogram. Draw x-axis and y-axis with appropriate scale. Then write scale on the top like x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters and y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 number of days. Then construct bar for each classes. In class 10 to 20, corresponding frequency is 4. So draw a rectangle of height 4 centimeter. Then draw rectangles of height 6 centimeters, 9 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 1 centimeter like this. Question number 4. The time taken by 25 women and 23 men to complete a race are given in the table below. Draw separate histogram for men and women. Here we have to draw two separate histogram for men and women. First let us draw histogram for women. First draw x-axis and y-axis with appropriate scale as before. Here let us take scale as x-axis 1 cm equal to 10 second and y-axis 1 cm equal to 2 number of women. Then construct bar for each classes. In class 30 to 40 corresponding frequency is 2. So draw a rectangle of height 2 cm. Next frequency is 6. So draw a rectangle of height 6 cm. Then 8 cm, 5 cm and 4 cm. Then next let us draw histogram for men. First draw x-axis and y-axis with appropriate scale as before. Here also x-axis 1 cm equal to 10 second and y-axis 1 cm equal to 2 number of men. Then construct bar for corresponding frequency of each classes. Here we know in class 30 to 40 corresponding frequency is 3. So draw a rectangle of height 3 cm. Next draw rectangles of height 7 cm, 5 cm, again 5 cm and 3 cm like this. Fifth question. The weights of 45 children in a class are listed below. Make a frequency table and draw histogram. Here let us make frequency table first. For that, find the heaviest and lowest weight from the given data. You can see here heaviest is 75 and lowest is 31. So let us start class from 30 to 80 with the class interval 10. Okay. Then make a frequency table like this and write classes like 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to 80. Then give tally marks. First is 41. Will come in the class 40 to 50. So give one tally mark here. Second is 52. It will come in the class 50 to 60. So give tally mark here. And complete all tally columns like this. Then count tally marks and write in the frequency column. Count 3, 13, 18, 10 and 1. And here total is 45. Then draw histogram as before. First draw x-axis and y-axis with appropriate scale and write on the top x-axis 1 cm equal to 10 kg and y-axis 1 cm equal to 2 number of children. See, in class 30 to 40 we know corresponding frequency is 3. So first draw a rectangle of height 3 centimeters. Then draw rectangle of height 13 centimeters, 18 centimeters, 10 centimeters and 1 centimeter. Now this histogram is completed. Hope you understand this. See you with the another topic. Until then,